Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Trading Secrets. This is a special edition video, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing the $1 million challenge in terms of how it's progressed so far. So this was started in August 2021, so we're going to be sharing some key updates of this shortly. So let's first of all have a quick reminder in terms of the objective and the thinking behind the challenge. So initially we did a calculation of the number of trading days over a period of 3 years, because the strategy and the challenge is based over a period of 3 years, and right now we're just in excess, or we're past approximately halfway. So this is about a 16-17 month review. So the thinking behind this is the total trades required to achieve the target of $1 million. If you start from $1,000 is 201 trades. So obviously you can start with higher, so you could start with $2,000, $4,000, $5,000. You could even start with lower, but the challenge is based on trade number one, a dollar amount of 1,000. So we're working on a figure of approximately 3.5% return per trade. So that's based on an average figure. So obviously it could be higher, it could be lower. But let's say if you do two trades, one with no return, another with a 7.5% return, then that would be 2 trades, even though you've done 1 trade. So it's based on the theory of compound calculation, compound returns, where you reinvest the full investment always into a single stock. So that's the key difference compared to diversification. One of the key thinkings behind the challenge is we focus on low and medium risk stocks. So these are based on mega blue chip caps, many of them. We have a special spreadsheet which I'm going to be sharing with you. We try to avoid the risky stocks, and we try to also recommend a 10% stop loss to minimize risk. What I'd now like to share with you is some of the Discord features and some of the additional features specifically for the challenge. So we have a dedicated Discord area, and on that area we have an agreement section, FAQs. You can chat and ask questions in there. We have the stock spreadsheet, which I'm going to be sharing with you there. Share opportunity to share your buys. We have a king and queen section, which I'm going to be explaining to you shortly as well. And we also have a leaderboard, which I'm going to be explaining shortly with regard to motivational purposes. So as well as the other usual daily stock alerts, weekly watch list, stock research, DD as well. So let's now try to explain the thinking behind the spreadsheet and the king stock. So these are, if you have a look at the page here on the screen, we have stocks which are not, we use a system of calculating, was a stock up on a week, down on a week, or level on a week, based on changes in excess of 1.5% or changes below 1.5%. So this gives you an additional tool in addition to the charts. So you can see here, if a stock has continuously got green over a number of weeks, then obviously we know that's doing well. And then obviously at the bottom I pick out my recent picks with regard to the king stocks that are doing fairly well. So we have a similar thing with the queen stock. So queen a little bit more higher risk, king a little bit more lower risk, and this is also shared with on a spreadsheet which is live. And this is a sample copy of our spreadsheet. On this spreadsheet you'll get the stocks, you'll get the target prices, and these will be, for example, if you get a green, it means within the target price, a potential buy. We also have additional columns such as, is it close to an all-time high, is it close to an all-time low. We have links there for financials, analysts, target prices, research, news, etc. We have links to charts. We have a link column there for daily volume, and at the bottom you'll see tabs there for low price tickers, high price tickers. We have high risk stocks, we have squeeze stocks added on there, UK tickers and European tickers for people who don't want to pay the currency conversion fees. The other thing I'd like to share with you is everybody who joins us in the challenge will get not only access to the Discord, access to the spreadsheets, you'll also get an email welcoming you to the challenge, and on this email you'll get access to an exclusive video. This will be more in-depth strategy, and as well as that we'll provide you with the written agreement, a written frequently asked questions. We'll provide you a spreadsheet here to record your trades, the advanced obviously personal recording spreadsheet, and this will give calculations for stop losses as well. We have detailed written breakdown of the strategy and also some of the key issues and risks to be aware of. So that's available for everyone. And the next thing I'd like to share with you here is an example of the leaderboard. So right now we have a number of people on here who have recently, over the last couple of weeks, made some exceptional moves. So if you want to know who's doing exceptionally well, we have one person currently at trade number 134. So the target is 201, and from there it goes all the way down to whatever people share. So not everybody shares their trades. So we have the Discord name on the left, we have the golden trade number in the middle, and then we have comments in terms of what stocks the person purchased to get to the trade. So all of this is explained in much more detail once you join. In addition to the challenge, we also share exclusively daily stock alerts prior to trading each day. So these are stocks which we believe that could be a good opportunity for, certainly for swing trading. We also have a weekly watch list that is shared prior to trading on the Monday. So this is an example of one that was shared just earlier last week, and we called out stocks such as GROM, that was up 12.4% on the week. We also called out GNS, that was a stock that was our best call of the week. It was up in excess of 450% on the week, but also with an opportunity to get a 760% return. So not all calls are successful, but this was a great call. TRKA was another stock that we called, up 22% on the week with a chance to get 35% gain as well. APPN, that had significant insider buys, we called that out as well, up 7.4% on the week. MARA, and that's linked with Bitcoin, so that did well on the Friday, up in excess of 10%. APRN we also called out, up 7% on the Friday, but overall on the week that was down. BBIG we called out, up 24% on the Monday, so great opportunity to take profits there, because usually there is a sell-off after significant moves up. And finally, details are in the description below if you would like to join, and thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.